Again students, we have to solve question number 4, in which we have to attempt question number 2, 5, 7 and 9. In this question, we have to find out product of given binomials. Now this video is considered under part 3. Now question number 2. This can be written as 2x whole square minus 5 square, being using ID a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now their product is equal to 4x square minus 25. Next one, 5x squares whole square minus 3 by 4 y squares whole square. ID being used a plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Their product is equal to 25x to the power 4 minus 9 by 16, and y squares whole square becomes y to the power 4. Now solution for question number 7, x square minus 1 by x whole square, ID a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, that is equal to, its product is now being x square minus 1 by x square. Now question number 9. Here is also whole square of 2a minus 3b's whole square, ID being used a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square, that is equal to, their product is now equal to 4a square minus 9 by b square. Now student, in question number 5 and 6, here given that we have to use formula for squaring a binomial. See, the terms are not given in binomial expression, so that we have to make them first of all binomial expression, and after that we have to apply binomial formula to evaluate them, so that first of all we have to make them binomial term. 54 can be written as 50 plus 4 and its whole square, that is equal to 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 4 plus square of 4. ID being used here a plus b's whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Hence its square now becomes 2500 plus 52 is 100 into 4 gives 400 plus 16, that means 2916. Next, 103 square can be written as 100 plus 3's whole square. Now that becomes square of 100 into 2 into 100 into 3 plus square of 3, that is equal to 10,000 plus 100 2s are 200, 200 3s are 600 plus 9, 10609 is the answer. Next, 69 square can be written as 70 minus 1, so that its value now becomes square of 70 minus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1's square. ID being used here a minus b's whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and value of this binomial term 4900 minus 72 is 140 plus square of 1 is 1, which is equal to 4761. Whenever we subtract these two after adding 1, there we will get 4761. Now next question, 197 square, that is equal to 200 minus 3's whole square. That means square of 200 minus 2 into 200 into 3 plus square of 3, and ID now being used, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to 200 2s are 400, 400 3s are 1200 plus 9, and whenever we solve them, its value now becomes 38809.